In this video, we're going to take a look at my unbeatable review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my unbeatable review. I'm ronnierokksmith with USC Digi and ronnierokksmith.com. And if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular product. So the first thing I need you to do is to go ahead and look in the video description and go ahead and click that first link. It's going to take you to my bonus page here. And once you get on the bonus page, just scroll down under the video here, under the timer, and you're going to see Get Unbeatable Now. Click that link, and that's going to open up to lock in your bonuses in the back end of Warrior Plus, where Unbeatable is launched and is hosted on, okay? So once you check out and do all that good stuff, you log into your Warrior Plus account, and then you'll find your access to the product in there, as well as my bonuses. And I'm going to show you how to find that later on in the video, okay? But let's go ahead and get started with this review. So first of all, what exactly is Unbeatable? So a lot of people ask the question, how do you make money online? And it's really an easy answer. There's only two ways, right? I mean, you have to sell something. So you either create your own product and sell that, or you promote someone else's product, right? So they're selling and you're making a commission, which is affiliate marketing. So those are pretty much the two basic ways that you can make money online. And you're pretty much selling something. Or you could be doing something like filling out a survey, but who the hell wants to do that? Not me. I don't want to spend hours and hours on day just to make 50 cents on a stupid survey. What about you? All right. So without further ado, let's jump into this review. Okay, so the headline reads, Forget lists, forget traffic, forget Warrior Plus and JVZoo. Sick and tired of courses that teach you how to teach the same old stuff? Your prayers have just been answered. So go ahead and check out the VSL here. Remember to go to my bonus page first by using the link in the description before you check out with this button. That way your bonuses that I'm going to give you today is going to be accessible inside of Warrior Plus in the back end. All right, so you can go ahead and check out the whole sales page, guys. I'm not going to read this to you, but here's some screenshots. As you can see, total revenue here. So this is probably a course on Udemy. I have stuff on Udemy as well, and you can make good money there by teaching things. So that's just one of the things they're going to teach you in here, how to put that course together. And there's going to be a cheat sheet. I'm going to show you where to find that in the members area after we go through the sales page, show you how to find that. So basically, we know what this is all about. So I'm just going to scroll down here all the way to the bottom. Let's go through some bonuses here. So did we mention our insane bonuses? So we have total five bonuses here. So the first one is social media mastery. Okay, that's valued at $297. You have video creation mastery. That's valued at $397. You have traffic multiplier. That's valued at $297. How to create bonuses. That's valued at $197. And you have Insta Bio link, and that's valued at $197. And of course, you have the money back guarantee right here, and I think that's about it. And here's the two vendors right here, Soren and Eric Hammer, and you'll find them in the members area. Okay, so that's about it. It's a pretty short sales page. So let's go ahead now and go into the members area and see what that looks like. Okay, inside the Unbeatable members area here, you're going to have this video. It's a welcome video by Eric Hammer. Go ahead and check that out. And right here, you can go to Eric's YouTube channel and subscribe to that if you want to. They have a Facebook group as well. And they're also going to be doing a webinar, so you may want to register for that as well. So if you missed any of the upgrades, that's available right here with these green buttons. And then if you scroll down a little bit more, you can get started with each course video, okay? So these videos are actually Soren in here, so he's going to do all the training inside this course right here. And as you can see, it's a mini videos in here. It's going to teach you a lot of cool stuff about creating your own courses. And the cheat sheet that I was talking about is right here, that you can get that. So it's going to help you out to get organized, and that's what's important about cheat sheets and stuff like that, just to help you get organized so you know exactly what you're going to do, what you're teaching about, and all of that cool stuff. So that's pretty cool. You also get your bonuses right here on the bottom, and you can download your done for you courses here. Okay, so I think they have Let's see. Okay, so they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you're going to get 10 done for you courses that you can use right away. Okay. So that's pretty cool. Okay, and that's where you get the done for you courses. So the last video right here is important because it's going to show you how to use the free software that you can create your courses, and it's going to show you how to use the cheat sheet that you downloaded here. So all the videos in here are important, right? Just like with any training, you want to watch the first video first, and then you go through all the videos in the organized manner that they were created for you so that you don't get confused on anything, right? Okay, so that's all the videos in here, guys. You can see it's a lot, right? So it's a lot of training. It's a lot of good training in here. It's going to teach you what you need to know to start doing your own products. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead now and check out my bonus page. And on there, we're going to go over the upsells for this product as well. Okay guys, so this product launched on Wednesday, January 6th, and it's going to end on January the 11th. Okay, so it's a 6-day launch. All right, so make sure you got some time left on this timer. Go ahead and lock in your bonuses by clicking any one of these Get Unbeatable Now buttons. All right, so let's go over the OTOs right here, okay? Okay, so the front end price of Unbeatable is $8.95, and the post-launch price is going to be $19.95. So you want to get this early before the launch ends, guys, right? You want to save as much money as possible. And this is the reason why we do these review videos as early as we can, so that you can get them at a cheaper price and save you some money, okay? It makes no sense to wait till after the launch and go ahead and pay a higher price, right? So what usually happens after every product that launches, the vendors jack the price up to the original set price that they want to charge for that product. So you get a little savings during the launch, right? Okay, let's take a look at the first upsell here. So the first one is Done For You Edition. It's going to be $37 with the 22 down sale. And inside this upsell, you're going to get cheat sheets to make your own courses. You're going to get a list of the hottest niches. You're going to get 100 ready to adapt courses you can plug in and use to make money with. And you're going to get some advanced secrets for making money from selling online courses. Upsell number 2 is the No Pitch newsletter. So this is for $26.87 for 3 months. Or you could do $9.95 a month, or you could take the $1 trial to try it out. And basically what this is it's a 30-page newsletter that you're going to get every month that is filled with the best tips and tricks to build a real business online. Okay, and upsell number 3 is Steal Our Money. This is for $67 with a 47 down sale. So basically it's reseller rights to Unbeatable. Okay, so you're going to get guaranteed approval to promote the post-launch. That means after the launch is over, you can start promoting it, and you're going to get to keep 100% commissions across the front end, OTO number 1, OTO number 2, and OTO number 3. Now, of course, they can't give you OTO 4 and 5 because these are high ticket offers, and they can't do this type of work for free, right? So they're not putting these in the reseller rights here. Upsell number 4 is Let Us Do the Work. This is for $1,497. So this is work one-on-one with Soren to have a course completely done for you that you can instantly sell. Okay, you just let them know what you want and they'll make it happen. So most newbies probably won't be able to afford this if you're just getting started, right? But if you do have the funds, this may be something you want to check out, and so you could get started like right away making money, right? Because they'll do it for you, and then you can just start selling it. So the last upsell here is Eric's 6-figure coaching. So this is $347 with a 57 down sell a month for 7 months. Okay, I'm not sure how these two are going to work. You have to check it out on the sales page. So work one-on-one with Eric for 60 days with coaching emails and interactions. If you have any questions, you're also going to get access to a massive members area complete with dozens of recorded videos. And you're also going to get Eric as an affiliate on your first product launch. So pretty cool upsell right there. Okay, let's go ahead now and take a look at what the bonuses that I'm offering for this product, okay? Bonus number 1 is free traffic secrets. You're gonna learn how to brand yourself by simply providing value and driving free traffic to yourself. So all of my bonuses are video training. I really think that video training is much more valuable to you than just reading an ebook. Now, sometimes I put out PDFs or cheat sheets and things like that, but usually and normally it's video training, like I said, because I find that more valuable for you as a bonus, okay? Bonus number 2 is how to manage your time wisely. So you're gonna learn how to use your time to your advantage by focusing on what is most important. So this is gonna be some good training to help you out with this course, because you're gonna learn how to organize yourself, right? You're gonna learn how to manage that time while you're creating and putting these courses together. So it's gonna help out. Bonus number 3 is YouTube Cash. This is video training on how to use YouTube effectively for affiliate commissions. So this is gonna show you how to use YouTube to make more sales doing affiliate marketing, but you can also use this method to sell your own courses and trainings, okay? So keep that in mind, and that's why I wanted to add this in, because it's going to help with this course as well. Okay, and bonus number 4 here is, of course, Unbeatable with the 5 vendor bonuses included on the sales page. So here's a recap of everything, guys. So the total combined value is $1,586 of extra value when you order through my link today. Okay, just make sure there's time left on this timer, and then go ahead and lock in your bonuses to get these bonuses on the back end of Warrior Plus. So now let's go ahead, let me show you how to find those bonuses inside of Warrior Plus, okay? So if you scroll down a little bit on the page here to the bottom, you're gonna see how to find your bonuses in Warrior Plus or JVZoo. In this case, Unbeatable is launched on the Warrior Plus platform. Okay, if you don't have a Warrior Plus account, go ahead and create one now. But after you go ahead and check out, if you don't have one, they're gonna take you to the page to create one, if I'm not mistaken. But I always tell my watchers and visitors to go ahead and do that first. That way it won't be an inconvenience later, and it'll already be set up for you, right? Then you come to the YouTube video that I'm creating here, click on my link in the description, go to my bonus page, right? Click the buttons, then go to the sales page and check out. And then once you check out, it's gonna send you to your purchase download page, okay? And that way you can get instant access. So it's better that way, I think. So let's go ahead. This is what happens. Once you create that account and you log into Warrior Plus, after you go through the checkout process, you're gonna click on purchase history here, okay? It's gonna take you to step 2. You're gonna look for Unbeatable link right here. Click on that. It's gonna take you to one more page where you can finally access your purchase product here, and then you can click this button to get my bonuses. And that's how you find your bonuses in the back end of Warrior Plus. Easy peasy, right? So guys, if you want some free training, go ahead and look in the YouTube video description for that. And as well as some advanced training in a webinar if you might be interested in that. So that's going to wrap up my Unbeatable review. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rocksmith with USA Digi and ronnierokksmith.com, and going the Rockstar Video Marketer. And guys, happy marketing.